Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Hello Crypto Gamer, today I'm sharing with Hamster Combat Daily Zipper for September 9, 2024. Okay, the first one is number 2. Yes, dot dash dash dash. There we go. And then for the second one is number 6. Did natin ang dash 1 2 3 4. Okay, this one. And then for the third one, it's number 0. Did natin ang dash 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 dash. There we go. And then for the fourth one, dash 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 and that. And then for the did natin ang dot dot dash dash dash. And then for the last one, dot 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 and dash. There we go. The daily zipper for today is